Creating a visually appealing and comfortable living space is a timeless pursuit, and in 2024, home decor trends continue to evolve with innovative ideas and timeless classics. Let's explore some exciting home decor ideas for the current year that can transform your living space into a haven of style and functionality. Firstly, let's talk about the color palette. In 2024, earthy tones like terracotta, sage green, and soft browns are making a comeback. These colors bring a sense of warmth and serenity to any room, creating a cozy ambience that is perfect for relaxation. Pairing these earthy tones with pops of jewel tones like emerald green or sapphire blue adds a touch of luxury and sophistication to the space. Moving on to furniture trends, modular and multifunctional pieces are gaining popularity. With smaller living spaces becoming more common, furniture that can serve multiple purposes, such as storage ottomans that also act as coffee tables or sofa beds with built-in storage, are highly sought after. This trend emphasizes practicality without compromising on style. In terms of decor accents, natural elements continue to be a dominant theme. Incorporating indoor plants not only adds a refreshing touch of greenery, but also improves indoor air quality. Additionally, botanical prints on textiles like cushions or wallpapers can bring the beauty of nature indoors. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood of a room. In 2024, we see a rise in statement lighting fixtures. Oversized pendant lights or chandeliers with unique designs serve as focal points while providing ample illumination. Layering different light sources such as floor lamps, table lamps, and recessed lighting creates depth and ambience in any space. When it comes to wall decor, gallery walls remain popular but with a twist. Instead of uniform frames, mixing different frame styles and sizes adds an eclectic and personalized touch. Incorporating mirrors strategically can also make a room appear larger and brighter. For those who enjoy DIY projects, upcycling and repurposing old furniture and decor items are great ways to add character to your home. Whether it's refurbishing an old dresser with a fresh coat of paint or turning vintage crates into wall shelves, these creative endeavors not only add unique charm, but also promote sustainability. In the realm of kitchen decor, sleek and minimalist designs are prevalent. Matte black or navy blue cabinetry paired with marble countertops creates a modern yet timeless look. Smart appliances and integrated storage solutions contribute to a clutter-free and functional kitchen space. As for the bathroom, spa-inspired designs continue to inspire homeowners. Natural materials like wood and stone complemented by soft lighting and aromatic candles create a tranquil retreat within your home. Incorporating smart technology, such as touchless faucets and LED mirrors, adds a touch of luxury and convenience. Home decor in 2024 is a blend of functionality, style, and sustainability. By incorporating these trends and ideas into your living space, you can create a harmonious environment that reflects your personality.